Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to evenly space rows in Excel. So now, first thing, as you can see, I have a example data over here. So now if I want to change the height to all of the data evenly, you would just simply select this one over here on the top left to select them all. Now, once I have selected everything, right click on it and you will have here a row height. So now from here, this will be an experimental. So just simply try out different numbers and just simply try it out. So let's say I'm gonna go for 30 and click on OK. As you can see, everything will be changed to the 30 height. So just simply provide the number that you prefer and that you like. And from here, you should be able to change the height evenly to everything. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.